Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miranda and today we are going to make a super easy, simple white sandwich bread recipe. I've had this one requested a lot, so let's start making it. We are going to start off with 200 mLs of water, and you do want this warm. 2 teaspoons of yeast, 10 grams of honey, and then go ahead and mix that together. Now you're just going to let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes or until it becomes foamy. Now that you can see that it's getting foamy, we're going to add flour next. With the flour, you're gonna need 280 to 300 grams. So I'd start with the 280 first and then add if you need to. A half a teaspoon of salt, and then 1 tablespoon of softened room temperature butter. Next, go ahead and place it on your KitchenAid and go ahead and start mixing on low. So you'll notice it's starting to pull away from the sides, but I am going to add a little bit more flour. Okay, so now that it's starting to form that ball, I'm gonna go ahead and knead it for like 4 to 5 minutes. Now that it's done kneading, we're gonna go ahead and turn it off. Remove the bucket and then remove the dough from here. And you're just going to form this into a ball. Go ahead and spray your bowl with some oil and then set that in there, cover, and then you're just going to let this rise for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. My dough is done rising, so what I'm gonna do first is just take a bread pan and spray it really well with some nonstick cooking spray, and then go ahead and set that aside. Next, you're going to very lightly sprinkle your countertop with some flour. Don't use too much. As you can see, it has rows. We're gonna go ahead and punch it down, and then I'm gonna add it to the countertop. And then go ahead and pull it out to like a rectangle. And then starting with one end, you're going to roll it up. And then I always just try to pinch the sills so they're all closed. After that, go ahead and place it in your bread pan. And then you're going to cover and let this rise again for about 45 minutes to an hour. Now my bread is done with its second rise. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a 350 degree preheated oven for 30 minutes. And there we go, it is all done. I'll go ahead and put the full recipe in the description below and then follow me for more recipes, and then I'll come back and cut this and show you the inside.